For the Amarnath Yatra, layering is key. Start with moisture-wicking base layers, add insulating fleece or down jackets, and finish with windproof, waterproof outer layers. Durable hiking shoes with good traction are essential for the rocky terrain. Don't forget woolen gloves, insulated socks, and UV protective sunglasses. A sturdy backpack with adjustable straps and a rain cover is indispensable. Trekking poles provide stability and reduce knee strain on steep paths. A hydration system, like reusable water bottles or hydration packs, is crucial to combat altitude sickness. Refill at designated points to stay hydrated and minimize waste. Pack high-energy snacks like trail mix, energy bars, and dried fruit to maintain energy levels. A first aid kit with Band-Aids, antiseptics, and altitude sickness medication is essential. Include toiletries like biodegradable soap, a toothbrush, and sunscreen to ensure hygiene and protection against UV rays. Pack light to avoid unnecessary strain. Use packing cubes to organize efficiently. Leave valuables at home to focus on the spiritual journey. Keep identification, permits, and cash in a secure waterproof pouch for peace of mind. Proper preparation ensures a focus on the spiritual essence of the Amarnath Yatra. Consider hiring a porter for heavy luggage. Share your experiences in the comments and subscribe for more travel insights. Embark on this sacred pilgrimage inspired and prepared.